In 1997, WAGO India began its journey with a manufacturing and sales facility in Noida. This marked the beginning of a strong foundation. With a focus on manufacturing and assembly of high-quality electrical interconnection products, WAGO India became an integral part of the global supply chain. India's growing emphasis on digitalizing its industrial and energy infrastructure created new opportunities. WAGO's relevant product lineup helped drive consistent growth in automation solutions. A major breakthrough came in 2021 when WAGO India relocated to Vadodara, Gujarat, a strategic move that opened new horizons for innovation and expansion.
I began my journey with WAGO India in November 2008. WAGO's innovative, customer-driven technology and its positive culture inspired me to contribute my best. In 2014, I was interested to lead the automation division. Over the years, I have worked across nearly all the industrial segments. But the turning point came in 2017 when I was asked to focus on energy sector. A new team was created. After 2 years of effort in the field, collaborating with utilities and OEMs, conducting demos, gaining product approvals, and we achieved sale of over 5,000 telecontrollers of substation and compact substation. Now, our focus on solution and new industrial segment continues to drive WAGO India to new heights. Wishing WAGO and my colleagues success on 30 years of automation. I'm sure that our journey will take us amongst top 10 automation companies worldwide.
Spread across 100,000 square meters, the Vadodara facility features state-of-the-art manufacturing practices that meet global standards.
It's been an exciting journey of 13 years with innovative technology and a passionate team driving progress every day. I have got the opportunity to actively promote WAGO India's automation business across diverse markets. WAGO has been truly empowering, encouraging learning, creativity, and ownership that helped me grow as a professional. I have worked with the WAGO IO systems, edge controllers, and smart connectivity solutions, promoting automation for smart factories, digital substations, industrial IoT, and energy management. Our modular, secure, and open technologies enable customers to adopt automation with confidence. A highlight was our digital substation and smart energy automation project for one of India's largest steel plants, delivering seamless integration, high performance, and sustainable transformation. I am proud to be a part of the company, shaping the future of automation through innovation, reliability, and purpose. As WAGO marks 30 years of excellence, I look forward to advancing AI-driven automation, edge intelligence, and sustainable manufacturing, contributing to smarter industries and greener energy systems.
The addition of interface electronics products and the PFC200 controller to the production lineup reflects growing confidence in WAGO India's capabilities, integrating high-quality standards with operational efficiency. Rapid modernization of manufacturing plants across India has accelerated the push for process automation, a trend that WAGO India is well positioned to support.
Since my joining in 2014, I have seen us make an unbelievable leap here in India. We didn't just grow, we transformed, moving from basic connectivity products to offering advanced controllers and comprehensive solutions tailored for Indian users. This year, as we mark 30 years of WAGO automation, we are celebrating more than just a milestone. We are celebrating the trust our users have put in our innovation, quality, and commitment. To show our dedication to this market, we just launched our controller production line right here in Vadodara. This is our commitment to the Indian market and a tribute to every employee, partner, and customer who were with us along this journey. Here is to a smart, sustainable, and connected future and the next 30 years together.
Backed by experienced sales and support teams, WAGO India is ready to make a lasting mark on the global automation landscape, driving innovation, efficiency, and excellence. As WAGO celebrates 30 years of excellence in automation, this milestone is not just a reflection of the past, but a vision for the future. WAGO India stands ready to support and accelerate the next phase of growth in WAGO's global automation business.